Welcome to Indian Tourist on YouTube. Today we are watching Anupu, located in the village of Nagarjuna Sagar in the district of Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. Anupu is located quite a few kilometers away from Nagarjuna Sagar Dam and is a site of Buddhist excavations. Reconstruction work with meticulous details was executed here, and today the place is great for those interested in architecture. There is a reconstructed 3rd century vihara and an amphitheatre with a fine aqueduct. Vijaypuri South. Moist and recent monsoon rains had dealt a blow to the tourism potential in Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, and for the first time the visitors could not watch the water gushing out of the crest gates last week. Last year, moist had destroyed 2 launches, Shanti Siri and Krishna, which ferry tourists from the boating point close to the southern end of the Nagarjuna Sagar project dam to Nandikonda, which houses world's only island museum dedicated to Buddhism. Though damage to vessel Krishna was minor, repair works on Shantisiri were still on, depriving tourists of a boat ride. Further strong winds had forced the tourism department to cancel boat trips in the reservoir. Tourists coming from all over the state were not being allowed to go to the dam due to fear of Maoists, who had threatened to blow up the masonry dam. Special security personnel were deployed to guard the structure round the clock. Visitors have been satisfying themselves by watching the gushing waters from the Ghat Road on the left bank or from the new bridge. 500 meters away are Pylon Colony on the right side. Meanwhile, tourists have been showing interest to visit the archaeological site at Anupu, 5 kilometers away from the dam abutting reservoir. A small creek here serves as an anchoring point for fishermen's boats. The place is slowly gaining popularity among tourists as one can watch the vast reservoir from here. Also, structures built by Acharya Nagarjuna, who had set up a university in the vicinity, have been located here. Colorful lights set up by the tourism department at a cost of 20 lakhs to provide an attractive view of Ethipothala waterfalls were damaged due to the floods in the Chandravanka river last month. Proposals to replace the lights were sent to the authorities concerned. Nagarjunakonda is located in the midst of an artificial lake and is an island museum which is one of its kind in the region. The museum gives an appearance of a vihara or a monastery and preserves with a commendable collection of relics of Buddhist art and culture. The main stupa or the Mahachaitya here preserves the sacred relics of Buddha. During the 3rd and 4th centuries AD, Nagarjunakonda, 150 kilometers south of Hyderabad, was the capital of the Ikshvaku rulers. The ancient site occupied an area of about 23 square kilometers in a valley on the banks of the Krishna River. Other reconstruction sites are at Anupu on the east bank of the river. These includes a temple, monasteries, and a stadium. The monastery has also a refectory, a store, and a bar. The stadium has tiled galleries, providing seating around a rectangular court. Located a few kilometers away from the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam, Anupu is a site of Buddhist excavations reconstructed to perfection with the painstaking effort. During the construction of Nagarjunasagar Dam, the ruins of an ancient Buddhist university were excavated. These have been reconstructed at Anupu, 4 kilometers away from the river bank of the reservoir, a place of great architectural interest with faithful reconstruction of a 3rd century vihara and an amphitheatre with the fine acoustics. Thank you. Thank you for watching.